So, for those of you with an FD trying to change your light bulbs or swap them over to LEDs like I'm doing tonight, some lessons learned from my mistakes. First of all, to get to the light bulbs, if you've never done this before, it's a little non-intuitive. This is one side completely closed down, so you're going to have two Phillips screws right back here. There's going to be one on each side, there and there. Remove those two, and then you're going to pop up your headlights using your headlight pop-up button. Once they're popped up, you're going to have, hopefully still, this plastic cover that goes around. It's going to have 4 screws. Show you on the side with better light. Alright, so you're going to have this guy sitting on top. Alright, so 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 down at the bottom. You will actually need to remove, that's how you'd see it, remove this guy first. So once you pop this off, then you will have access to 3 and 4 for this painted cover. So you have those off, basically just gently slide up. And there you go. Now you have access to the bulbs back here. So I've already swapped over mine to these LEDs that I had laying around, spares. So it's an H4/9003. My lesson learned was when I put these in here, I didn't realize that there is a piece that doesn't move. There's an arm back here that's stationary, so when this whole thing goes down, you'll see